Did you buy a used iPhone only to find out it's locked to the previous owner? Or maybe you reset it and now you are stuck on the activation lock screen asking for the Apple ID and password you don't have. The good news is that there are a few ways to remove activation lock. In this video, I will show you 3 methods, and the last one is the easiest solution for most people. Let's begin. Method number 1 is removing activation lock with Find My Phone. If the phone is still connected to the previous owner's Apple ID account, they can sign in to iCloud and remove the device remotely. If you have contact with the previous owner, all he needs to do is log into the account, open Find My Phone, select the device, and choose Remove from Account. Once the device is removed, you can restart the iPhone and set it up with your own Apple ID. This is the safest and simplest method, but it only works if you can contact the original owner. In the case you bought the phone second-hand and the seller is unavailable, you'll need to try another option. Let's continue. Method number 2 is reset or recover your iCloud password. If the iPhone belongs to you and you simply forgot your Apple ID password, don't worry. Apple provides several ways to recover your account. You can go to Apple's password recovery page and follow the instructions to reset your password using your trust phone number, your email address, or another verification method connected to your account. After successfully resetting the password, sign back in on the activation lock screen using your Apple ID credentials. This method works well if you are the original owner of the device, but it won't help if the iPhone is linked to someone else's Apple ID. Now, if the first 2 methods are an option for you, there's another solution worth considering: FoneTool Unlocker. This tool is designed to help users deal with activation lock issues in a much simpler way. Instead of trying to contact the previous owner or recover account information you no longer have access to, FoneTool Unlocker provides a guide process that helps you remove the lock and regain access to your device. I'll leave the download link in the description so you can install it on your Windows computer. When you open the program, you will see that besides removing activation lock, this software can also remove screen passcode if you forgot them, remove Apple ID accounts without the password, and fix several other types of locks. For this tutorial, we will choose the option called Remove iCloud Activation Lock. In this screen, connect your iPhone using a USB cable. The software will recognize the device and will guide you to start the jailbreak process. The jailbreak process is necessary to remove the activation lock, but don't worry because it's fully guided. We will use the WinRAM1N tool to perform the jailbreak. I will also leave its link in the description. Once you open WinRAM1N, click the next button. Your iPhone will enter in recovery mode. When you see the USB cable pointing to the computer on your iPhone screen, go back to the WinRAM1N software. Now, we gotta enter to DFU mode. On your iPhone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for about 6 seconds. Then, release the power button, but continue holding the volume down button for 10 more seconds. If everything was done correctly, the iPhone will enter DFU mode and the jailbreak process will begin automatically. After that, go back to the FoneTool software, click Start, and then click Confirm. The activation lock removal process will begin. After a few seconds, the iPhone will restart and will boot into the main screen, allowing you to use it normally again. FoneTool will display a message confirming that the activation lock was removed successfully. And now, you can sign in with your own Apple ID or create a brand new account and start using the device however you want. As you can see, you don't need to know the previous owners of the device, nor other important information that Apple usually requires for this type of thing. With FoneTool Unlocker, you can access all the device functions and use the iPhone again as if it never had an activation lock. Check the download link in the description below, give it a try, and let us know your experience in the comments. Let me know if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.